And welcome back. Right now I'm at one of my barley fields, which is really bad shape because of the weeds, and there's this one really bad weed that wraps around the combine's header and just you can't basically harvest it at all. So I'm trying something really new for me, and I don't know if anyone else has tried a technique like this. I am mowing with my grown mower. Well, I tried to harvest some, but the combine got clogged up and it was really bad. So I'm gonna mow this barley and the weeds with the mower. And the plan is there's a couple of good days ahead of us, quite warm and dry. So I'm gonna mow it down, let it dry as much as it can. And then I'm gonna come back with the combine, try to harvest it from the mowed rows. If that works out, really good, best scenario. In worst scenario, I'm just gonna bale it up into hay straw. Let's just call it like that. I'm trying to get the best out of the situation. So yeah. Well, this is my fault, the weeds, but you learn from your mistakes, you know. So let's get on it. Let's mow it down, and later on I'm gonna show you how it ended up. Did I manage to harvest it, or I just bale it up? And here I am, my farming journey, back again. Today we're gonna finish harvesting barley, at least the last good field. I have that one field I mowed with the mower. I will check that today's evening, but I will see that later. But yeah, now I'm gonna go finish that last big field of barley, which was 6.5 hectares, but we already harvested like more than a half yesterday, so hopefully 3-4 hours and I will be finished with that field. I'm gonna go with Beller's tractor, and this is my old green trailer because my friend needed his trailer back. Now I'm gonna check the fuel. This is how I check the fuel. It has enough for today. Not have to go far. Maybe gonna add some later on today. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Bought this brand new seat. Not comfortable at all, but better than the previous one. Let's start it up. And of course, on the way to the field, something happens. Those are the brakes on one side. Started to smell something. And I guess the brakes were working while the tractor was driving. I hope it's okay now. Sometimes it does that. Then you go backwards a little bit, and then they releases. So let's hope it works. We'll see. Stinks really bad. Drive a little bit farther. Now I'm gonna check. Still doing that. Have to call grandfather. And grandfather said, use your old friend hammer.
Only where?
Which are the handbrake? Handbrake. Handbrake. He said the problem was probably the handbrake. Let's go trace the handbrake. That's the handbrake. How does it work? That's gonna work. Where did I left my friend? There it is. I guess this. Oh, that was that easy. And it went just in. Huh, who knew? This screw right there? No, that one. Back. That needs to go in. And you can do it with a hammer. Tractor started moving a little bit. So let's go. It works now. It's amazing how many things you can fix with a hammer. And it works. The brakes are good now. I'm at the combine. It's running. It's warmed up, so gonna get harvested. Yep. It's quite hot outside. Let's start harvesting. Close to the finish right now. A couple more laps and we'll be done with this field. I just don't know if it's gonna fit all in one trailer because it's pretty cool right now. It will be with this long car. Making that weird noise again, which I was talking about in the video where I was trying to beat the storm. I didn't find the fault of it, probably the same fault again. There's one fuel filter at the bottom of the fuel tank, and that was all dirty, probably the same now. Should have checked it before I came to this field, but we're almost finished with this field and with the harvest. Well, I do have that one field left where I mowed with the mower, so I'm gonna finish up this field and then go to that field and check if it's gonna work or not, if my theory or my plan's gonna work or not. So I hope you can hear me. I'm filming with my phone. I'm hungry, sweaty, field. The barley is really short this year because of the drought. The grain will be in the unloading auger. The mistake there. Oh my! It all fitted. I made it fit. But the load's pretty full. I've never had this full before. So yeah. And we're finito. Well, I'm gonna go check that press field out, but we'll see how it goes there. Now I'm gonna park the combine here, drive the tractor home, load the load, unload the load, and then I'm gonna have somebody drive me back after the combine. Where should I put it? I'm probably gonna leave it somewhere here. Oh, bye-bye. Oh, see that easy? Whew. Oh, there's always a little bit left there. Oh, that's there. Whew, I'm dirty. Abba. This is the little fuel filter that was dirty, and it looks like it's dirty again. So when I'm gonna come back pick up the combine, I'm gonna take some bucket and a brake cleaner to clean it out. That system is quite bad for cleaning it because you can't shut off the fuel line. It comes out of the fuel tank. So when you take that filter off, it's pouring diesel straight out. So, yeah, I don't know who designed that system, but he definitely was not a good worker in John Deere. Big load of barley. This will stay at the farm for cow feed. Need to dry it and clean it. So the filter that I need to clean needs something to fit under. I don't know where the other half of this bottle is, so don't ask. I probably won't see. So this is the filter. I hope you can see. It's quite dirty. Clean it out with some good old brake cleaner. That is clean. There's the fuel. I think I found a problem. Why the combine was working like that. It has no fuel in it whatsoever. Yep, just added the fuel. I did not expect to run out of fuel, so this was a surprise. Now there's a little bit, put in 20 liters, so it's gonna be enough for today. I do have to go harvest one neighbor tomorrow, but I hope he's gonna put some fuel in it. So yeah, let's go try that field out which I mowed, and we'll see what happens. I think there's a little bit of air in the system because it did not want to start on me. I think I need a wrench in M13, which I probably not, which I don't have. I have 12 and 14. Now 13. It's hot. Oh, I'm red. I guess I'm hot. There's air in the system. Oh no, it's actually 11 and 10. Oh no, I haven't. And it's alive! Working! Let's go! Well, I'm at the field and let's start trying out this. It's not working. It's already wrapped up around it, the auger. So yeah, not gonna do this. Not gonna ruin the combine over some maybe a ton of barley. Just gonna wrap it up, bale it up, and make it into straw hay. There's no other option, I guess. You learn from your mistakes. I tried this out. I know this not work now. So yeah, it was worth a try. It does need a little bit of drying still. But it is fairly dry. Maybe I should come over with the tether tomorrow. Set it out. So yeah, that means we're finished harvesting for 2023. We already harvested the potatoes. I'll show you clips of that. I was not at home, I was harvesting by that time. So yeah. All wrapped up. So, no point of making this go through the combine. Maybe it was even more drier, it would work, but it's still fairly green. Especially that asshole wheat. So yeah, harvest is finished for us. Luckily, tomorrow we'll hopefully finish all the fields for the neighbor, and then we can put this beast back to the sleep, or a winter sleep. Well, not yet. I need to fix the barn. I need to free more space for all my machinery in the barn. So yeah, tired but happy, frustrated but still happy, angry at the yields and everything. Yeah, sad, yeah, but still happy. So, yeah, harvest is done. See you on the next job.